Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of Rob Adventures. Right now, this is where we are, Olentangy River Wetland Research Park of the Ohio State University.
This 50-acre wetlands park sits along the Olentangy River's western bank. It began as an experiment in 1994 to monitor how wetlands develop. Since then, the wetlands have developed into a multitude of different habitats. Today, we will take a quick walk along this route marked in blue here. There are many pretty fall colors to see and some very scenic wetlands on this cool misty morning. The trail ends near this water pipe here that feeds water into these man-made marshes. Next, we will head over to the nearby Olentangy River and see how overflowed it is from last night's heavy rainfall. And finally, I discovered an open manhole with no clues as to why. Join me on today's adventure through the Olentangy Wetlands.
I wonder what this is. That water is so high in there, I've never seen it that high. If we keep going, we get to the Olentangy bike trail eventually. Wow, this is so flooded here right now. So muddy. Looks like something goes through here. You can barely notice it. It's kind of like a path for an animal through there, and there's a boardwalk. pretty colors here.
Next, we are headed south to the Olentangy Bike Trail and the Olentangy River.
Alright guys, let's go see how crazy this water is. Check it out. Oh, this is crazy. I've never seen the water this high. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so that bridge where the bike trail goes over, there's a path that leads down, runs along the edge of the concrete here. You can follow it all the way across. You can get to here, and then back in these woods is more homeless camps and stuff. Interestingly enough, if you do go follow this trail past all those homeless camps, a stream comes out somewhere over there. You follow that stream up, and you know where you get? You get to the Blood Bowl Tunnel. So over there, guys, that's where we just were. I'm on the bridge. Since I walked this way, I'm gonna take a little side trail here. This is where we're going. I would hate to fall. This would just be the worst, guys. There's like no way to tell how deep that is. Oh my God.
If you like today's adventure through the Olentangy Wetlands, you can check out one of my other videos here. And don't forget to subscribe to see new Rob adventures and other videos every Monday. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Links are in the description. And that is all till next time. Have a good one.